Hey there, YouTube, and welcome back for day 9 of 25 days of giveaways. Hey, in this video, I'm going to share with you a crazy simple funnel that was able to generate somebody over 100 signups into their business over the course of just a few short weeks. So make sure that you stick around until the very end to get all of the juicy details about this crazy simple funnel that's also going to be 100% free. So make sure you check it out. Before we get into today's giveaway, please make sure that you go and subscribe to my channel. Don't want you to miss out on any of the content that I'm producing for you, especially over the course of these couple of weeks leading up to Christmas, so that you can have access to giveaways that are going to help you start generating money with little to no investment. Also, for each one of these videos, you're going to get access to a quick reference guide that you're going to be able to go in and see the giveaways, any videos, as well as all of the share codes, so that you can be able to get up and going as fast as possible. So if you're ready to get started, let's dive into today's video so that you can learn how you can take this crazy simple funnel and start generating signups and income into your business. So this is going to be the effortless way to massive sales. This is a very simple step-by-step training that you're going to get access to, and this will have a funnel set up for you in the matter of about 20 to 30 minutes. I've gone through and created this, and I guarantee if you follow this step by step, you will see results. So make sure when you go through this, you go step by step. Go back if you miss anything. I'm not going to go through each one of these videos because I know that you can go through and do that on your own. But what I will show you is this is an easy, very easy affiliate funnel. And what you're going to do in addition to this is you're going to get access to all kinds of tools talking about Leads Leap. You're going to get access to it. And if you already have a Leads Leap account, then you're going to be able to give that tool set through a free lifetime membership with Leads Leap. So if you have not gotten signed up, please make sure that you do that right now. It's 100% free, and you get access to all kinds of amazing tools that are going to help you in your online business. In addition, this is going to help you set up a lead capture page and a thank you page to help you deliver a 2-week series of free traffic advice on proven techniques and proven sites that not a lot of people know about. So what you'll want to do is make sure that you go down, and all the videos are going to show you how to do this, but I want to show you what each one of these pages looks like. And so the capture page is going to look like this. You want free traffic and sales? If you're an online business, absolutely. Who doesn't? This is going to give you access to 15 of the hottest free traffic sources on the planet. When somebody puts in their email address, it's going to take them to a thank you page that's going to look exactly like this. It's going to say, hey, thanks. You're going to start getting a traffic source for the next 15 days. So make sure that you confirm your email address and look out for emails from whatever your name is. The videos will walk you through how to get this set up. But one of the best things here is that immediately you're starting to create a relationship with that new prospect. And this is a great chance for you to share your first opportunity with them. In this case, I'm actually promoting another free traffic source, and I'm going to help somebody that signs up with me get their first 2 signups. These can all be upgraded, which is going to drive additional revenue into your pocket and help you to continue expanding your list and your business. So this is what the capture and the thank you page looks like. In addition, when you start scrolling down here, it's going to auto-generate those emails for you. But if you want to recreate this, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on this 14-day free traffic accelerator newsletter. By clicking on this link, it's going to give you access to the share code for the email series. So if you've been following along in some of the other giveaways, we can actually copy and paste a share code that's going to give you all 15 of those emails ready to go. So in this case, it's going to take you over to a page that looks like this. Now, I will tell you, this was priced for quite some time, but between now and the end of the year, I'm going to make it 100% free so that you can start driving business and continue to grow your list. Just trying to help you out. I know what it's like to be an online entrepreneur, and when you get a lot of nickels and dimes, especially this time of the year, I want to try and help ease that for you. So take advantage of this special opportunity so that you can go ahead and grab these share codes for free and then be able to copy and paste those into your funnel and into your list so that you can start sending those out. Once you have that, then you'll go through and you'll get a chance to test that. And then the last thing is traffic. What are we talking about? We're giving people 15 ways that they can drive more traffic. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 6 or 7 ways to go ahead and start promoting traffic all on your own. And so right here, all you need to do is click on this, and it's going to take you to 6 proven methods that I have used in my business. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. And then it's also going to give you access to some bonuses, things like a free marketing system. And then you can check out some of those bonus income streams as well. The last thing here is there is a funnel share code. So if you want to be able just to grab that and drop it in, you can copy and paste that, and that'll give you everything that's listed here. And every one of these share codes you can find back in this document as well. So as I said, this funnel generated over 100 signups for someone in just under a few short weeks. So it is proven. It will generate revenue for you. It'll generate signups, and it will continue to help you build and grow your list. So hope you enjoyed this one, and look forward to seeing you on day number 10 tomorrow. Take care and God bless.